Hey guys, I'm your host, Mike Hanselman, owner of Small Arms Pistol Academy, and today I just want to talk to you about the proper torque setting for your optic. Now, what you'll see down here is I do utilize a Wheeler fat wrench. That's that yellow tool over there. It's basically a screwdriver with interchangeable tips. You can see all those tips over here. I've added other things inside the equipment, such as if I was going to mount an actual like scope or something to a rifle, I have levels in here and some other bits I could throw inside this tool so I could set it. The reason I love this Wheeler tool though is you can see it has inch pounds. This is not foot pounds. That's what your torque setting is going to actually be measured in for your optics. So I'm going to try to reach around here so you guys can see me do this. I'm just going to put my bit in here and start rotating this. Once it reaches whatever that limit is, it almost feels like it slips, and it's not slipping. What it's doing is just skipping over so you don't ever over tighten anything. Now, the reason I have a painter's pen right here is because I'm actually going to draw a white line. You can see I used to have one right here and it's kind of faded off. So what I'm going to do is shake it for a minute. Okay, I'm not actually going to wait a minute. That was a lie. And I'm just going to draw a line. Nothing fancy, guys. The reason I just applied it like that is I went from the plate all the way to like the middle of my screw right here. So if I was ever out at a gun range and those lines are no longer matched up, we'll say the screw is at 12 o'clock, my other line is at 9 o'clock right there, I could very easily say, hey, my optic is coming loose. And instead of continuously shooting, what I could do is stop shooting. I could tighten it down if I have the, the right bit to do so. If I don't have that on hand, no problem. Put the gun away for the day so your optic doesn't go flying off, hit you, or you lose it at a gun range. And then when you get back, you can always use your fat wrench again. You can retorque that, make sure it's good to go. So that's my pro tip for you guys is buy a cheap paint pen. Make sure you mark your optics so that you have a visual aid to just know quickly, hey, this is golden. Prior to losing something like that, I mean, an optic these days, there's $400. There's no sense losing it at a gun range because you didn't want to buy a dollar paint pen and mark where the setting would be. Hope that helps you guys. Let me know if you do that to your optics. And as always, click like, subscribe, turn that alert notification on. I appreciate your support.